Hey guys, this is Matt, Funtown RV. I'm here in Corsicana and I want to show you guys this Jayco that I got behind me here. This is a new fifth wheel that we have. It's a 24 MLE. This camper is under 30 feet, guys. So this is a great couples coach fifth wheel. You got your pass-through storage right here, LP tanks on both sides. This is a ton of space, guys. You can really get everything right through. This gets your chairs, fishing rods, anything that you need for your RV and camping. But this still is a lightweight fifth wheel, but you get a ton of amenities. Power awning with your LED lights coming out. That's gonna give you a ton of camping area out front of this fifth wheel here. Past another storage area right here. And then one thing that I did want to point out, this does have the hookups for your boat. The four-way plug back here as well, so it is actually hooked up to electricity. And then we've got the big awning again. Now coming up into the coach, you got these solid steps, which make it nice and easy. You're not gonna fall. Look at the inside of this. Tons of room, tons of lighting. And one thing that I really love that Jayco's doing that you're not gonna see in a lot of these other fifth wheels is the couches, guys. I don't know if you've already owned an RV, but you'll see some of those couches get the peeling. You're not gonna have that with this material. I'm really excited. It's probably my favorite part about this fifth wheel is this new interior, even with what they brought it over with the dinette. But you're given this rear kitchen, tons of space. Look at the size of these doors. Huge doors, giving you plenty of room to put whatever you need, your pots, your pans, everything that you need on your trip. I like the two-tone. You got the brown down low with the white up top, giving you a little best of both worlds there. And still tons of storage. Your cooktop, your microwave, and just a lot of storage in this kitchen with windows all the way around, letting in a lot of light. That way you can see out into the campground. No matter what spot you got, you're gonna be able to see where you're gonna go. Now let's move up this way, guys. We also have a beautiful pantry, and this is solid. Automatic lights, so they're gonna turn on, but that is a ton of space. Let me let you get in there. Tons of room. And still, guys, we're talking about a 29-foot fifth wheel. This is a under 30 foot. You're gonna be able to go wherever you wanna go. Get into every campground, get into those state parks. This is a great option. Beautiful bathroom right in here, guys. Toilet, nice big shower. Coming into this master bedroom. So you do get a slide out right on this side. That's gonna open it up, give you some more storage options. But again, you got those automatic lights. It's always the little things, you know, having those lights, something like that, that really makes a difference when you're camping. Nice big deep drawers, plug-ins on both sides. You got your USB cords. You also have a thermostat. You do have another AC up here. And then we have, coming around here, another nice big closet. That's huge. The great thing that I like about this, it's again, all the little things. That door in the bathroom also opens up into here. So if you want to store either way, you're gonna have a nice big drawer, two of them, for all your stuff. Something you don't see. I mean, it's great to have a fifth wheel, but being under 30 feet and having all this storage capability is a really great option. Hey guys, I just want to thank you from everybody here at Funtown RV for taking a look. Come check out this unit, give us a call, text, check the link below. We're happy to help you anytime. Look at the inside. Tons of room, tons of lighting. And one thing that I really love that Jayco's doing that you're not going to see in a lot of these other fifth wheels